have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Whisper.
So I have some bad news. You have to go to the vet and get a shot.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you.
You look like a potato.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
And your mama was a...
I gotta tell